everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is, wait, I'm not Kyle Pancis. This is my 2002 Saab 9.3 convertible. Its name is Sebastian. Check it out.
Is that all you got?
Yeah.
That's it?
I don't know.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please smash the subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Today, we're with Melanie's car. What is it?
What?
Sebastian?
This is Sebastian.
That's her name for it. I don't name my cars, but she does. It's all good though. And today, we're gonna do some interior update. Let me just show you guys what's going on. Alright boys, so if you guys have been following the channel, you will know that I lost my GoPro and had to buy even a new laptop because we have a new camera now that shoots in 4K and I had to get a laptop that can handle 4K. So here we are, we're 4K'ing it. We're 4K'ing it on the 4th of July weekend, so happy 4th by the way for anybody that's
4K
here.
on the 4th day.
Yeah, we're 4K'ing it in the 4th day almost of July, so happy 4th of everybody here in the United States, Independence Day. And today you guys can see a little 4K scenario on the seat, and very common for the age. Just there's nothing wrong with the leather here, just the stitching came undone from, you know, my butt sitting on it or Melanie's knee.
I think it was my ass actually.
You have like tiny ass, so what the hell.
Well, when you get in the car, you're always like this.
Like what?
You sit here first,
and then you
you
slide.
get in. Yeah.
Yeah, you slide, so you're stretching all those threads, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, so anyway, somebody had given me a seat bottom, and we're just gonna check out. I'm gonna show you the seat bottom here, and we can show you and see if the leather matches. You know, if I can pull the seat. The leather off the seat safely, the dog's gonna allow us to successfully install it and fix the little issue in the Saab. We gotta, you know, the Saab convertible looks perfect, it runs perfect, it might as well have a good seat bottom.
You can't drink this.
Right, Casey? Casey, what's wrong with you? Is it too hot? Is it too hot outside? All right, guys. So here it is. This is a seat. It looks like it's pretty much fully intact. I'm just trying to think of what Saab it came out of. It might have been a 9.5, but regardless, the 9.5 base model and the 9.3 have the same seat cushions here. So this one obviously is in good shape. And let's just go ahead, put it next to the car and see it side by side before I go ahead and undo the leather. All right, guys. So sadly enough, this is the first time taking a peek at this. The leather is different for sure, and also the design. If you look at the stitching on that seat, it goes kind of at like a different degree angle than this seat. This is more straight up. Actually, it's about the same. But the leather color is different for sure. This appears to be darker. It's about the same.
Same, but different.
Yeah. Let's see what this looks like here. Hold that.
The stitching is different color, I think.
So this leather just literally pulls up like that. Yeah, let me just go get a... Be right back, boys. So these guys, this has like little clips that kind of wrap around the leather here. So they just simply pulls down. This looks like it's already been pulled off. So let's do this side. Okay. And the back side, I guess it's the whole cushion.
Probably because it's sewed to it.
Yep. Come here. Guys, to get the cushion off with the foam is hooked on right here on both sides, so.
Wow, it's got like a box spring.
All right, guys, so I just got a little vice grip here. We're gonna take it and
Flip.
Undo one and undo the other. All right. So here we go, guys. Here's your seat cushion.
That's what makes the Saab seats so comfortable.
Kind of just place this over top.
Kind of want to like test this out.
Just trying to make sure the everything's good.
Looks like it'd be a good flotation device.
All right, so there we go. Got our heated seats, I guess. That's what that's for. All right, guys. So now.
Nope.
Not a good match, huh?
No.
It's off a little bit.
Mhm.
Right?
Yep. I like my old Saab seat better.
Such a shame.
The original.
You're right.
My original broken in seat.
Well, here's the good news, guys. We have a good seat, so if anybody needs like the motors off the track here, free of charge, it's yours, because I don't want to just throw this away. And one of my buddies has a 9.3, that Dolphin Gray Saab convertible that you guys seen on the channel before. His airbag, or excuse me, his buckle sensor seems to be a little bit off. When he buckles it in, it's not actually reading that it's plugged in, so I guess I can probably save this for him. So anyways, this wasn't really so successful, but if anybody has any recommendations on the leather stitching for the one cushion that's still in there, might as well get it fixed, right? Maybe we'll get it fixed. We'll look into getting it fixed. So
Fixed, or am I sewing it?
I don't know, do you want to sew it?
I can sew it.
Well, I guess if you look at this seam here,
To try and buckle this seat in.
if you look at this seam underneath, if we were to take the seat off, you can get underneath there.
Yeah.
Maybe we don't need to go bring it anywhere. Hold the camera for me.
This is
See here,
pretty
look.
easy.
Look, you can stitch. Right here. Right here is the seam. See?
Yeah, but I could do it
No, what I'm saying is we can do it.
inside. You can flip it, yeah.
What I'm saying is you flip it like this.
Yeah, it'll be easy.
We probably don't even need to take the seat out. We just have to undo just this here and unclip it.
Yeah, you take the seat cover off like you did with that one.
No, all I'm saying, if you get up for a second,
Yeah, you undo
all we need to do is just undo this, and we don't even have to take the seat out of the car.
No, you just undo this part.
Yeah.
Prop it up.
And it's the same color stitching that we used on the other 9.5.
Probably. You wouldn't see the stitching though, because
No, it's underneath. Yeah, you just open up the seat and it's right there, guys.
So it would be invisible.
So anyways, we got a good seat bottom here if anybody needs a seat bottom. And this video was just simply I guess just
Trial and error.
Trial and error. We're kind of doing this live with you, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And you know, we're just kind of in between projects right now. If you guys are following the channel for the 500 horsepower 9.5,
I want to try one thing.
all right, guys. So if you're following the channel for the new, if you're new to the channel because of the Saab 9.5 horsepower build we're about to do, I'm looking at 3 different 9.5s right now. Both are within the 0405 realm of things. One's a sedan, one's a wagon. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a wagon. I'm more of a sedan guy, but you know, we're looking at it all. The 9.5 sedan has a busted motor, and the guy's selling me the car with a new engine. So it's just a matter of if I want to spend the extra labor and actually change out the engine, and you know, maybe is it worth just doing the build like that, because the new engine's already out of the car. We can go ahead and do the internals on it. Like, you know, there's all these different variables. So I'm checking all that out. And then the last thing that I'm checking out is a 2007. I am looking at an 07, which is the newer body style 9.5 before the new generation, and checking that out simply because I think it adds some cool character to the build based on the parameters of the car. And so I'm gonna give you guys updates with that build as things kind of materialize. So right now we're still in the exploratory stage. We're looking into parts, looking into all these things. I'm doing all the research that I need to do to make sure we do this right and not reinvent the wheel too much, and go from there. So thanks for tuning in on this video. Also, if you haven't been following the channel, we've lost a camera and a new computer. I mentioned it earlier jokingly. So I also lost 30 videos on my channel, and I have recovered like 10 of them, 15 of them, which is kind of cool. And then the others are just like, I can reshoot them, or they're just kind of lost videos, content that I can't really recreate, but it's all good. But in the next week or so, as you saw last week, if you're following, there's a lot of re-uploads. So I'm gonna be continuing that trend just to get them back up so people can watch it and learn. And we'll go from there, guys. We're just doing this live with you here. So I appreciate you're tuning in and watching this video, and simply like, share, subscribe, comment below, give this video a like. Definitely the most important thing for the YouTube algorithm. So thanks for your guys' support. I'll see you guys next video. Thank you.